once a legal drug, gone into obscurity, swept under rug. New cannabinoids rise to the surface each day. They come and then they go away. Like Ash Ketchum, Japan tried to catch them all, but with so many Pokemon, it's never ending. Oh, it's a never ending. Oh, sayonara, THCHNO. Kamehameha, dad of Japan's flow. Until the next game of whack-a-mole.
Well, you at least know he's a Dragon Ball fan.
Cannot kill.
Shouts out to Big Homie. Hey, I mean,
Hope you enjoyed that shitty unpolished song, but
you ain't gotta take nothing with you
Hope
to
you
a
enjoyed
lot of
this
places
doco.
because you'll be
Usually
able to
it's kind
find
of
some
content
smoke
flies under the
everywhere.
radar, so your support
Yeah, that's gonna
is
be
what
one of
really
our
keeps
next
us going.
playlists.
If you wish to join our movement
That might
that
be a
challenges the status
2029
quo, wakes
playlist.
people up,
Because,
like
you
and
know,
share
we're
this
gonna have
video
a
and
year of the
subscribe
gag
to our
coming
channel.
up.
For the extra support,
2028.
join our Patreon
Yes,
for
sir.
exclusive content or consider a one-time donation. Honestly, every bit of support counts and is greatly
But
appreciated.
that's another thing.
Thanks for being part of our
Y'all know how
journey.
them numbers
Much
go.
love, and catch you on the next one. Peace.
Ray, what are you doing here?
I'm here to pick up the stuff. I texted you, remember?
Dog, I haven't checked my phone in hours.
No? You texted me back like 10 minutes ago.
Really? You sure about that?
You want me to show you?
Oh, come on, bro. There's no need for us to fight.
I'm not fighting.
So what you need?
Just a quarter.
Gotcha. Be right back. Jesus, come on, dude. Here you go. You take care, man.
There's like coughs everywhere, dude. Doesn't that worry you?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Oh shit! Freeze, police!
Get down on the ground!
Get down!
No, why he ain't worried here.
Surrender yourself!
Damn, we going from Japan to Egypt. I did say that though, right? Okay, y'all warning
Ancient
today.
Egypt,
We
the
traveling.
land of sand, pointy
traveler,
monuments, and getting high. Let's be honest, have you seen the Sphinx? You know you've got to be big to come up with that design. The ancient Egyptians had a surprisingly advanced knowledge of mind-altering substances, whether for sacred rituals, medicine, or just a little fun after a long day of pyramid building. They knew how to party. But what exactly were they using, and how did these ancient highs fit into their daily lives? Find out on today's episode of the Infographic Show. Drugs ancient Egyptians got high on. Number 10, lettuce. You probably don't think that you could get high from your mom's salad, but the ancient Egyptians sure did. It was all thanks to something called lactucarium, a milky sap found in certain types of lettuce. Known as lettuce opium, this natural sedative had pain-relieving properties and was often used to help with sleep or to help take the edge off a long day of farrowing. Lactucarium wasn't just about relaxation. It also had a reputation for putting people in a good mood. In fact, around 2000 BCE, the ancient Egyptians were really into lettuce, believing it to be a powerful aphrodisiac. It grew tall and straight, and the milky liquid reminded them of, well, a happy moment. As a result, lettuce became a full-on phallic symbol and was linked to Min, the Egyptian god of fertility. According to researchers, lettuce was believed to help the god perform the sexual act untiringly. So yeah, salad nights in ancient Egypt were probably a lot more exciting than ours. But like many teenagers today, the ancient Egyptians didn't eat lettuce. Instead, they harvested seeds from flowering plants and pressed them for their natural oils. These oils were used for cooking, medicine, and sometimes even mummification. Number 9, Egyptian henbane. Henbane, a seemingly unassuming succulent, had a much darker and trippier reputation in ancient Egypt. Today, scientists recognize that dried henbane contains 3 powerful alkaloids, atropine, hyoscyamine, and scopolamine, which are used in modern pharmaceuticals. But thanks to its hallucinogenic properties, henbane could induce vivid visions. This made it a valuable tool for priests, shamans, and anyone looking to get in touch with the divine or just take a trip to another realm. But the plant wasn't all fun and games. In the wrong dose,